Hey folks, so the mailman just came and dropped me off a package. Let's take a look and see what we got. A brand new flag. So I took down the flag and I got a new one. I'd purchased one and it just came there as you've seen. And I wanted to take it down. My old one was getting very faded. It's been up there probably since last summertime. But it got too faded, it needed replaced. So I will take it to the local American Legion. They have ceremonies where they retire old flags. And I'll take it and give it to them and they'll dispose of it properly. So thanks for tuning in with that. I appreciate being in this country where we're free and we can fly a flag, and so I like to keep mine going out in the yard. So that's what I did. I want to take you along for the flag change. So hey guys, what's coming up next is just some random chores around the farm here, taking care of some of the animals. I wanted to say thank you to everyone who's been tuning in. We're almost up to 100 subscribers on the channel. And if it's your first time here and you want to learn about everything I got going on here at Wonder Why Farm and Homestead, go ahead and smash that like button for the video. Subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell. And every time I upload a video, you'll be able to watch. I want to thank you again for tuning in. Have a great day. We're just gonna pump up our sprayer here and get our seeds watered. I like to use this sprayer because it's a little bit more gentle, especially when the seeds aren't too far down in the ground. This way here you can just kind of mist over them. It doesn't take too long to spray. You get enough volume to get the job done, but not so much that you're actually washing the stuff out of the ground. One thing I didn't talk about inside was I like to come out here with the water temperature being a little above 80. Today it was like 82 because obviously you're going to have some heat loss, you know, in the time it takes you to get out here. Plus, spraying it on the ground here on the pots like this, you lose some temperature. So I don't know for sure, but I think that I'm probably somewhere around 70 to 75 degrees once the water actually gets on and it's on the seeds. I typically try to put about a gallon of water on each one of these trays each time that I water. And I've been watering twice a day.